After only 3 years, Hyundai's feisty Elantra N Sport Compact gets an update, aligning its design with the commerce sedan it's based on. We wouldn't be shocked if the 276 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 goes unchanged for 2024, but details on the refreshed Elantra N remain classified. We certainly hope that both the 6-speed manual transmission and 8-speed dual-clutch automatic return in this latest iteration. We loved the last Elantra N so much it took first place in a comparison test against two of our other favorites, the Honda Civic C and Volkswagen Jetta GLI. A few details uncovered from the photos Hyundai shared reveals 2 new 19-inch wheel options and new front and rear bumper covers with updated headlamps and taillights. The updated Elantra N will fill mirrors with LED lighting after it goes on sale later this year. Though not a generational change, the refreshed Hyundai Elantra N looks to usher in several noteworthy changes. New front and rear bumpers are accompanied by snazzy new headlights and taillights. The H logo on the hood is now black, and there are 2 new 19-inch wheel designs. There's also likely an update inside in the way of new seats and a bigger digital screen, but Hyundai hasn't shown any of that off yet. The N comes fully loaded with both attitude and equipment. Amongst the performance upgrades from standard Elantras are a host of technology and safety features, leaving buyers with a handful of paint options to choose from. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Hyundai Elantra N will likely reuse its turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, which came from the Veloster N hatchback that's no longer available. That engine was tuned for 276 horsepower in the last car, but we can't say for certain if the 2024 Elantra N won't get a little extra go power to celebrate its new looks. During our instrumented testing of the 2023 Elantra N, we observed sprints to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds and a 13.8-second quarter-mile run with a trap speed of 105 miles per hour. In the last car, an 8-speed automatic was available, but we preferred the 6-speed manual transmission that came standard. During our numerous drives of Elantra Ns, we've noted its sharp throttle response, crisp handling, and sonorous exhaust note. We also found that the Elantra N's longer wheelbase gives it a more compliant ride than the Veloster N, but still delivers the sure-footedness we look for in a sports sedan. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.